They underestimated you. They thought that they had you worked out. They thought that you were carrying so much burdens from your past, you know. They thought that you wouldn't evolve. They thought that you will be stagnant and stuck. They thought that you would surrender. You know, they thought as if you would give in, perhaps give in to them and their wants and needs for how they think your life should play out. You know, they thought that you could not weather the storm. They thought that you wouldn't have a new beginning. You would lose your spark. They thought that you would not invest in yourself. They were really betting on it. And they are shocked to see that not only have you triumphed over any adversary that has occurred in your life, especially the ones, you know, any type of blockages that they try to put in your way, they are shocked that you either look unbothered, you act oblivious. Maybe you weren't aware that they were plotting your downfall. And perhaps even if they didn't have an active role in regards to some type of demise that they wanted for you, they knew of some type of hardship that you had endured, and they thought that will be the end of you. You know, you would not continue. You would give up on your life. You would stay stuck. They thought that they could run rings around you, socially isolate you, push you out of a group, club, organization, or block opportunities from you networking, block you from accessing people that they feel they are entitled to. You know, they are shocked that despite whatever failures you've endured, you have managed to rise back up. You know, they were celebrating for some type of downfall. You know, maybe there was something that you really wanted and you didn't get it, and they were happy. They wanted to humble you. They thought that, and they still think, that you are non-deserving. I don't know what this person or these people think about your life. You know, they may feel like you have pretty privilege. You have a certain edge about you. You are a showstopper, so people gravitate towards you. Maybe they wanted to copy your shine. Maybe they wanted your popularity. I don't know. But they were wishing for some type of downfall, especially in your love life. They thought that they had successfully destroyed a romantic relationship. They wanted you to be insecure, feel triggered. They wanted you to be alone, and they wanted you to lack support. I'm just picking up an image of someone on a desert island by themselves. This is what they wanted for you. And they're shocked that people haven't walked away from you. They're shocked that what they actually wanted for you, which is loneliness, lack of support, lack of harmony, love, friendship, is playing out in their life. And that's why they're shocked. They underestimated how you managed to overcome everything that I feel they threw in your path. They are shocked that what they wanted for you is now happening to them. They're also shocked that you have awoken. You know, they were possibly used to you being a certain way, but you have changed overnight to this individual. They were betting on you staying in an unhealed state because that's how they were able to control a situation, control you. They wanted your heart chakra to be closed. They didn't want you to see how attractive you are, how in demand you are, how likable you are, how people like spending time with you. They wanted you to believe that they were the only ones, I'm hearing your savior, that had time for you. Yeah, they tried to condition you. They tried to keep you for themselves, to destroy you, to make you to make you reliant on them and codependent. They didn't want you to know that you had options, and they are shocked that you don't want anything from them no more. No advice, no money, no food, no shelter, no favors. You don't care. They thought that you will always be single, and they thought that they could always rub it in your face about how well they're getting on and how lonely you are. They wanted you to feel left behind. They wanted you to feel that you did not have options. They knew you had options, or they were scared of people seeing you. So they tried to block romantic options from you. And now they're trapped in their head because they're learning that you possibly could be in a relationship, or they cannot access you. And because they cannot access you like they did before, their mind is racing. Who are they talking to? Have they made new friends? Have they got a partner? Why are they distant from me? They must be busy with someone else other than me. Yeah, you're celebrating. Possibly celebrating because you have freed yourself from this person, or you are being celebrated. And they are shocked. It says marking milestones or enjoying happy moments together. So maybe this person has found out that you have a new group of friends, or you are in a new romantic relationship. For some of you, congratulations. You have got engaged or you have got married, right? They've found this out. It says joy, achievement, and union. So there is an understanding that you have found love and love has found you. Whoever this person is, they didn't want it for you, right? We have awareness. Instead of falling into other things for love, dating. So yeah, they underestimated that you would take yourself seriously. Maybe when you were around this person, you weren't looking for love, or you were healing from a broken heart, and they manipulated the situation. They liked you in this state. They may have tried to convince you that there's no point in dating again, because maybe they were trying to be an option for you. I'm hearing they were trying to be a void filler, or they were trying to keep you stuck, and they were perhaps dating, say this person's single as well, and they were trying to rub it in your face. They were trying to race you towards love, to show you in their head that they're more desired than you are, because this person is insecure and jealous of you for some of you. And for others of you, this person wanted to be an option to you. So they are very shocked that you have put yourself out there. You're dating. For some of you, they may have seen you on a dating website and they're like, what? But why are they on the dating website then? But I feel like for some of you, you may have posted pictures up on social media of you looking fire, of you looking good. And they've seen the comments, because this person's obsessed. And there's an energy of them being angry that you are more confident now, that you are in your power, you're celebrating yourself, you are exuding self-love, because I feel like when you are around them, you are lacking self-confidence, and they wanted to keep you at that state. They could see how attractive you are. They could see that other people gravitated towards you, but they had a way to program your mind to make you think that they were the only ones that cared about you, and you don't want to waste your time with other people. If you date other people, they're going to hurt you, or it's hard out there to date. There's a lot of F boys and F girls. No one wants anything serious, or something about that. So they're shocked that you have, you know, gone into the direction of taking yourself seriously again, putting yourself out there, and you have found love. They may have heard that you're in a relationship, or they know of you and another person being together. You have transformed. We have transformation, growing through love, or becoming your best self. Change, evolution, rebirth. You have gone through a rebirth. You have gone through a transformation. This person does not recognize you anymore because they, like I mentioned before, are used to seeing you in an unhealed state. And they want to go back into the past of the way things used to be when you were asking for their advice and they were manipulating the whole situation. Okay, you have taken back your power. They want you to change your mind, and they want you to be confused and emotionally dependent on them. This card says back and forth, changing your mind or being confused emotionally. This person kept you confused emotionally. Okay, flight, uncertainty. They wanted you to stay in a state of being uncertain so that they can direct the course of your life to keep you stuck and codependent.